In autumn 2023, Škoda Auto will be introducing new generations of the Superb and Kodiaq. Two extremely popular models that have won hearts around the world. That's why we're dedicated to comprehensive vehicle testing. Before we unveil any of our new models, we want to be 100% certain we're delivering an outstanding product.
We live by the words of our founders Laurin and Clement from 1895. Only the best is enough for our customers. For that reason, we push our cars to the limit, simulating and testing everything our customers might face during journeys.
The virtual development of a new car begins around 4 years before its launch. The first physical prototypes are built 2 years before series production starts, followed by physical tests. During these, the vehicle's entire life cycle is simulated under tough conditions that the customer rarely experiences.
Each new project begins with virtual development. Our experts employ advanced computing methods and virtual reality simulations to closely examine various aspects of the car. This immersive technology allows us to explore and understand the vehicle's details long before the creation of the first physical prototypes. Once the virtual development phase is over, the first real cars are put to the test. We simulate everyday use, running our vehicles well over 1 million kilometers in urban traffic, country roads and motorways within months, a distance an average customer would take 40 years to cover.
The prototypes take a journey like no other, facing extreme conditions across the globe, in the deep frosts of Scandinavia, the dusty roads of Spain or Africa, and the extreme heat of the USA's deserts. Their advanced electric functions, quality, and durability are put to the ultimate test.
In snowy conditions, we verify the chassis functions, its adaptability to cold weather and slippery surfaces. All car parts must endure the extreme cold of up to -30 degrees and bear the extra weight of ice or snow. We focus on driving stability, temperature comfort and overall reliability after long wintry drives. In extreme heat, we examine how our cars handle temperatures of up to 50 degrees, even at the edge of their operational limits. We also inspect their dust sealing and ensure that all surfaces and paint withstand the intense heat and sunlight. These cars truly undergo a rigorous process.
In addition to hundreds of thousands of kilometers on the road and on testing grounds, we test all the materials in our labs to ensure top quality from all our suppliers. We assess each of the roughly 7,000 car parts before the start of serial production. The testing range includes sunlight simulation chambers, corrosion resistance, humidity exposure and material behavior in extreme temperatures and conditions. We begin with the material verification of the parts using the latest technologies such as the electron microscope, gas and liquid chromatography and a lot more to see the invisible. We also verify functions of radars, engines, controls, optics and online connectivity already in the pre-series phase.
In our specialist labs, we test everything from acoustics and material durability to corrosion, lights, software, electronics and parts resistance to extreme temperatures and humidity. We also ensure interior protection against water, dust or other particles.
When adding up all the test time, we are looking at 25 years of complete material evaluation to to ensure we meet the highest quality expectations of our customers.
We are 100% sure that our passion for precise development and the rigorous testing of the all-new Superb and Kodiaq will translate into clear benefits for our customers. Both cars will be outstanding and reliable partners in everyday explorations.
I'm sure you will love the car as much as we do already.